kind of a language is that?
Oh, gee, honey, I can't talk. You know what I mean. Let's get married.
All right. Who'll we marry?
Oh, don't kid about it. You don't belong in a place like this.
Oh, I suppose I do belong in a logging camp.
No, listen. I wouldn't want you to live up here in the woods. I'm quitting. We'll go someplace different. You know, someplace where it's nice and we could be together and I'll get another job and...
You'd do that for me?
You betcha.
Oh.
Oh, gee, I've got to tell somebody.
Wait.
Come on.
Right. Who's the first show? Feel the bar for dancing! Hey, boys, come on, we got something to celebrate. Celebrate for the crowd, bartender.
Are you happy?
You betcha.
Hey, gang.
What's got something to tell you?
Oh,
let's have. Got a ticket, please?
Oh,
let's have. Well, I just figure that I'm the luckiest guy in the world.
Why?
Because, just a few minutes ago, a certain party told me that she,